Hi, welcome to Cards by Kendra. I'm excited to be a part of the Under the Sea video hop for the Handmade Happiness Facebook group. This is a 3-day hop, so you can check out all of the different creations each day for the next 3 days. To find all of the videos that are part of this video hop, just click on the hashtag thursdayunderthesea. It's also at the top of the description box below when you're done watching this video. Before I tell you about my card, go ahead and click on that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. Today I'll be sharing a mermaid card that's fairly easy to make that reads, "I'm done adulting, let's be mermaids." I started making the background using the Making Waves stencil by Dina Wakely. I placed it in a box so that I could spray the back of it with pixie spray. This is a low tack adhesive that will keep the stencil in place. I'm using a teal colored piece of cardstock from Recollections out of the Oceans pack, which is a set of several different colors of blue and green, and it's 110 pounds. I'm taking Speckled Egg Distress Oxide ink and blending it over the top of the stencil using my domed foam applicators from scrapbook.com. So after drying the background with my heat tool, I'm taking the largest piece of the nested stitch scallop rectangle die set and I'm cutting it using my Big Shot die cutting machine. The scalloped edges on this die set reminds me of mermaid scales. Now I'm taking Craft Perfect Mirror Cardstock by Tonic in Seafoam Green and I've cut it down. It's a shiny holographic foil cardstock and I'm using the Mermaid Tail stamp set from Picket Fence Studios. I'm stamping the sentiment and mermaid tail using my brand new Misty stamping platform. So both of these items are brand new to me. So because these stamps are new, they're pretty sticky, as you can see. So I went ahead and primed those stamps, and the way I did that was I took a sand eraser and I lightly just kind of covered over the whole thing, and then I stamped it a few times just on some regular scrap paper. So now I'm just inking up my stamp using Ranger's Archival ink in jet black, and I am doing this twice so that I can make sure that I have a good impression. All of the products that I'm using to make this card are listed in the description box below under supplies. There are some affiliate links, so if you click on any of these products and make a purchase, I get a small commission. This helps to support my YouTube channel, website, and blog. Now I'm using my Tim Holtz mini snips to fussy cut out the tail. For the frame and second layer of the sentiment, I'm cutting out a piece of blue Noble Peacock foil cardstock from Stampin' Up. Even though this has been retired, there's similar mirror cardstock in cobalt blue available from Tonic Studios. Now I'm taking another sheet of that teal heavyweight cardstock and cutting it down for my base. I'm also trimming down that little piece for the sentiment because it was just a little bit too long. Now I'm scoring the base down the middle at 4 1/4. I'm using double-sided tape to attach the foil piece to the top of the base. I like to peel back a little piece of the double-sided tape on each side so that I can put it in place first and then peel off the rest of the tape so that it's exactly where I want it to be. I'm using Nouveau Deluxe adhesive to attach the background to the foil piece. When I had everything placed where I wanted it before I glued everything down, the mermaid tail was kind of sticking out of one of those waves. Well, I kind of realized too late that I put the background on upside down. How many of you guys do that? If you do that, please let me know in the comments to let me know I'm not alone. So luckily this glue is, it gives you a little bit of time to kind of move things where you want it. So it wasn't too late. I was able to peel it up and flip it over and all was well. If I had used that double-sided tape, I wouldn't have been able to do this. So I'm glad that that happened. So I'm going to continue to use this Nouveau Deluxe adhesive to glue down the sentiment and the mermaid tail, but I'm going to pop that sentiment up using some 3D foam squares. I'm using some blue Stickles glitter glue to cover over the scales on the part of the mermaid tail. This blue Stickles glitter glue actually matches the blue foil on the frame and behind the sentiment, so it kind of ties everything together. So I let that dry for a few minutes, and then I'll be finishing this card off by adding some rhinestones to it. These are the teal color and the seafoam green color from the Noble Peacock rhinestone set from Stampin' Up, which I believe is also discontinued, but you can also use different colors. So here is my finished card for the Thursday video hop. I hope you like it. Please make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you'll get notifications. I'll be posting another one tomorrow. Also, click on the hashtag in the description box below to check out all of the other videos. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you're not already following me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook, please do so. You can find me at Cards by Kendra. Again, have a nice day and thank you so much for watching.